What's up, YouTube? Back again with the sd9ve. Just want to give you my review on it. It's a nice little gun for the buck or whatever. I paid like $300 for it at Momentum Pawn, and I just chromed it out a little bit. And my thoughts on it, man, it's real good. Got no guard grooves on it or whatever, but it's good for a buck. Let me go ahead and break it down for you. Oh yeah, gotta get these, man. These things are great. Try to focus it in for you. These things are great, man. Try to get this fucking camera to stand right. Alright, basically it breaks down like a Glock. You know what I'm saying? Safety check, ain't nothing in there. Nothing right there. Release the tension in the spring. Hit your takedown levers on the side, which hurt like hell, by the way. And here's your inside. Here's your frame. And of course your recoil spring. And your barrel. That's pretty much it.